Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a domain on Cloudflare step by step. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, in order to buy a domain, you either can click right there, add at the top, and click new domain, or you can go ahead on domain registration and click register domains. From here, you can go ahead and search for your domain name. So let's go ahead and search for mine and see what we have. Now, suggested name domain names, as you can see, I can choose .net, .org, .com with a dash, .uk, and many more. You may choose this one. So for example, I'm just going to click on it and confirm it. Now you will have some payment options. For example, for 3 years, it only costs that much. And buy it, as you can see, it renews at 522. The price doesn't really change. Now, after that, you cannot change the name servers of a domain registered with Cloudflare. So make sure you know that. And now you will need to go ahead and enter your information. So the first name, last name, and organization, your email at the top, country, your address. After that, you're going to also choose a payment. So it can be with a card or PayPal. Choose the option which fits you the best. And after you have done with that, you will see your domain here on Manage Domains. You should see it right there. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.